working those angles. Anne was the center of attention in her sexy blue and black gown at the debut of the limited series, about the rise and fall of WeWork. Anna Hathaway, 39, oozed pure elegance on the red carpet premiere of Apple TV Plus's WeCrashed on Thursday, March 17 at the Academy Museum of Motion Pictures in LA. The star showed off her style in a chic blue and black David Koma dress at the debut of the show, which covers the dramatic rise and fall of the co-working startup WeWork and its leaders. Anne's robin's egg blue dress featured a long sleeve and high leg slit, along with one smooth cutout running from shoulder to hip to reveal her abs and a black bra beneath. For accessories, she went with classic black aquazure heels and a little black clutch. Bulgari and dark tassel locks completed the look. Joining Anne on the red carpet was Jared Leto, who looked handsome as ever in a velvet Gucci suit with specks of glitter throughout. He teamed the suit with a ruffled shirt and sheer gloves, letting his long locks hang down smoothly. Related gallery. WeWork TV series, see photos of Jared Leto's transformation and Anne Hathaway crash into a car. Anne and Jared play real-life couple and WeWork disgraced co-founders Rebecca and Adam Newman in the limited series, which will release the first 3 episodes on March 18th. Asked what drew her to the role, and told People, "I love the chance to take a story that people knew or feel like they know very well and to humanize it. That was really appealing. To play the role, and felt a responsibility to honor Rebecca's humanity and to her truth." Jared, who is known for his immersive method acting, told People it would be taking him time to ease out of the role. "It's definitely not a light switch," he explained. "Like anything, if you make a habit out of the way of talking, a way of walking, a way of being, it doesn't just go away the second you turn the switch or there isn't a switch. And I think that's normal. You know, I kind of fall in love with every character I play in a way, and you know, oftentimes I'm sad to see them go.